In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your withdrawal method and Quotex. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and once inside your dashboard, I want you to hover to the top right corner where you can see the withdrawal option. If you click on it, you will be forwarded to the withdrawal page where you can see your current withdrawal method. Now, here's something important that you need to know. On Quotex, you usually need to withdraw using the same method you use to deposit. This is due to financial regulations and anti-money laundering policies. So for example, if you have deposited via crypto or via e-wallet or via banks, if you want to change the withdrawal method, you may need to make a new deposit. For example, let's say we're going to choose an e-wallet, for example, PayMaya or GCash or GrabPay. And of course, you need to deposit a minimal amount using the new method and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, if this doesn't work, hover to the bottom right corner where you can see the option that says help. This will forward you to the customer support section. Click the deposit withdrawal. You would see there is some related articles that you can look into to help your situation. But if you want to contact the customer support directly, click the other issue. You can mention your situation. You can also attach a screenshot. Remember, most of the time, withdrawals must match your deposit method. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can change or update your withdrawal method in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.